In the previous video we have seen how to setting up the camera on the game object. So in this video we are going to see how to implement the game background. So drag and drop the main camera inside the game controller. Okay. So and then create a empty game object called game bg. So it's like a container, it's going to have the game bg. So go to the 2D sprite and then search for a resource folder to find a bg. Drag and drop that. Just move a little bit backward on the z axis so that only it will be visible in camera. Okay. So it has been visible now. So everything has been perfect. So next what I'm going to do is I want to increase the size of the camera so that all the four sides will be fit perfectly. Okay, it's perfect now. Duplicate that. So why we are duplicating is we want to, while moving the object upwards, so we want to remove a background layer, we want to show only a bg. So to fill the position we are going to have 3 bg layers. So make sure that it fit on y-axis exactly without any white space or blank space. Okay, it's perfect now. So let's rename that bg1 and bg2 and bg3 . If you scroll you can able to see that it's look like a repeated background. So that's why we created 3 layers. Okay, it's perfect now. So that's it. You can able to see bg1, bg2, bg3 is going to make the repeated system. While coding we are going to handle that. Okay, so that's it. In the next video you will see how to setting up the UI. Thank you. In the previous video